Good evening, and it's time for NFP. It's time for NFP. So that's NFP. So let's see what's happening, what can happen. So, what are the possibilities? अरे यार. So we'll see what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a downside after the news, but so it's going to be very interesting today, and this is going to decide the next momentum of gold. So HMR is active, high margin ratio is activated. So be careful with your capital and big lot sizes. Be careful with your big lot sizes. Don't simply just open big lot sizes. Trade carefully. Market will never die. Only the thing is you have to stay with your capital. So don't jump blindly into the trades. Even though if you have missed any chance, no need to worry. Okay, market will never die. So there is a trend line. If you follow the trend line, if you see the any candle breaching the trend line, you can go for selling, or else from the volume live MVP level, even from the MVP level, we can have a chance for entering gold. So that's the thing. So exactly from the trend line, afternoon, when we are at live, we suggested just go for buys with a small SL on the downside. So this is the result. So now it is exactly at MSS, that is market structure shift. If this candle closes above this level, we can see upside targets. If not, from the MVP level, this is an important level where it acts as a support and resistance. Now exactly it's a news time, and we can see 0.3% of buying volumes in the market. So please be careful. And last two news, there was no big momentum in the market. So let's hope and let's see some good momentum at least today. At least today. At least this has to give us some good momentum in the market. So wait, we have still 7 minutes for the news. We have 7 minutes for the news. Yeah. HMR is active. Be careful with your capital. High margin ratio. So let's go, boys. Let's go. So BTC, I'm looking bullishness in BTC after the news. If I see BTC trading above 114,500 after the news, I will enter some buys. If not, I'll wait for any further change in volumes. For now, BTC is bullish after the news. So dekhte hain what will happen. So we'll see what will happen. So everything may change after the news, and it's going to be interesting now. It's my mobile. Yeah. So gold, its important level for now is 3275. 3275. This week low will be very important level for today. This week low, this one 3268 is an important level to watch today. If market wants to come down, sure it will tap this level, then it can go upside. Otherwise, for now candle theory is suggesting 3315, but this is a news time, but I'm not going with any candle theory or whatever it is, and it's slight positive. देखते हैं क्या होता है. The one who entered at 88, you can hold your trades, or you can place your SL cost to cost. Anyway, during the volatility SL may gets hit, you can book 50% and you can hold your 50% with strict SL. Still we have 5 minutes for the news, and it's going to be interesting today. See, it's look like a festival. Whenever there is a news like NFP, the markets will take it as a festival. We can see big moves coming in. So we'll see what can we expect now. We have 4 minutes for the news. US oil recovered from the double bottom. So according to this thing, this is the low. This should be one of the entry, and now this is MVP line, which is very important, which acts as a support or resistance. When candle is trading below, it works as a resistance. When trading above, it works as a support. Now it's working as a resistance now. क्रूड ऑयल को क्या हो गया, इतना जोश आ गया. Crude oil is also jumping. Crude oil is also jumping. We have 3 minutes for the news. We have 3 minutes for the news, and I'm looking into sell opportunities. देखते हैं if so we'll see what will happen. So let's see, it's news time, and be cautious. It's news time, be cautious. Just give me 1 second. Still my decision is on sells until unless the news comes in favor of dollar, then we'll change our decision. So for now I'm staying on selling opportunities in gold. That's only my this thing, right? That's only my this thing technicals. According to the news, it may change also. Okay. One second. Yeah. So we'll see what can happen. We have 2 minutes for the news. We have 2 minutes for the news, and let's go. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We have 2 minutes for the news. One minute for the news. One minute for the news. Thirty seconds for the news, and brace for impact. Brace for impact. This is very big news. Very, very big news. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's negative for dollar. So stay on. So it's positive for dollar, but we'll wait for a candle upside target. Very bad for the dollar. Euro can jump. Gold can jump. Euro will jump. BTC, chalo, you can write BTC. So if not today, tomorrow there's a possibility BTC, but sure it will reach 121k. Okay. Gold buy. Gold buy. Gold buy. Very good. The one who entered at 84, this is very good. So stay on buys. So very bad for the dollar. So stay on buys. Whatever it is, stay on buys. This is the right place to enter, but okay, we can average these things. It's going up. So target will be this one, exactly 27, because we have huge volumes here. Euro is rocking, man. Euro is rocking. So GBP JPY sell. AUD JPY sell. Stay on buys. Stay on buys. BTC buy. Crude oil, we need some time for settlement because the dollar is negative. So don't take any entries in crude oil. Just stay. Gold target can be 27 for now. 27. We have a huge buy volumes locked up there. So no new buys after 27. Okay, no new buys after 27. Till 27 it can go. Let it breach that 27, then you can go for buying again. Okay. Yeah, HMR has been released. So target will be 27. No new entries at 27. Okay, target will be 27. No, don't enter 27 buys. Okay, you need to wait. Your waiting period will be very high for the profit. My goodness, that's a very good, very good. 27. Stay for 27 target. So BTC buy, GBP JPY sell. Wait for 27. 27. Now don't enter at 27. No new entries at buys. It will take a slide down and it will go up. Okay. You need to wait. You need to have waiting period. We have huge volumes, buying volumes here. So okay, 27, 28, 27 and 28. 30 pips, 300 pips straight away. What a candle, what a candle, what a candle. 27, 27, 28, 30. It's going good. It's going really good. So 27, no new entries here. It will take a dip, a slight dip. Okay. Your waiting period will be very high at this candle if you enter. So your waiting period will be very high at this candle. So target will be 27 now. 27. Let it come down slightly. Then one more candle will pull upside if it wants really goes up. We can see some liquidations, but this is a news time. We'll see क्या होता है. According to the order book, what a candle. One second, huh? That's a beautiful candle. No entries in crude oil. You can stay some buys in BTC. After 9 we can see some good momentum in BTC. So 27, 30. We need now some, see we have huge sell limit orders here, and at the same time few buy stop orders. We have huge sell limit orders. We need one more fair value gap here to pull these sellers into trap. If not, again market will take a retracement to this stop loss cluster and again it can go upside. So 2084 is a superb level to stay on buys. Even though the probability is 36 and it's 60 change, according to the news, we should stay on buys. BTC buy. That's important of news. So that's a beautiful buy. That's a beautiful buy. Euro is unstoppable. Euro is unstoppable. The highest USD JPY sell Euro USD buy, gold buy, BTC buy. Don't trade in crude. That's a beautiful candle. That's a beautiful candle. So that's a beautiful candle. We have huge sell limit orders, and one second. We have huge sell limit orders at this particular area. Be caution. This is very important. This is very important level, 27 to 35. This is going to be a very important level now. Exactly trading at a weekly pivot. Gold exactly trading at weekly pivot, and we can see some huge sell limit orders there. So that's beautiful, and we can see some return points here. We can see some few return points, new return point. GBP JPY, we can look for some selling. GBP JPY. Only gold and currency pairs are moved. Bitcoin is slightly, it's better to trade BTC after 9. You can see some liquidations. So the candle closure is very important. Still we have 5 minutes for the candle closure. The momentum still in only one candle. Still we have 4 minutes left for the candle closing. So which is very important. 27 level is very important. So very aggressive. Volumes change drastically. See here. Huge sell limit orders. Huge sell limit orders at 34 to 30 level. Huge sell limit orders. Be careful here. Be careful. Very good candle. Seriously, very good candle, and we have still 3 minutes for the candle closure. Don't come to conclusion. It can pump upside. So 27 to 35 is the level where we can see huge sell limit orders here. If market pushes these people, it losses. Gold will be unstoppable, and the target will be 67. But we need confirmation and candle closure now. We need this candle closure, and we need at least next candle to retest 50% of this candle for good upside momentum. 36. 36. Candle closure is very important. Still we are on buys. Let me check the heat map of BTC. Is there any change of volumes? My goodness, 37, 38. It's a beautiful place here. 90. So we have huge sell limit orders and very less buy stop orders. Beautiful candle in euro. Beautiful. $38. We have 2 minutes for the candle. 1 minute for the candle closure. Still liquidity. So we have still 1 minute for the candle closure. Let's wait. We have still New York session to open, so need to wait for New York session to open, so we can see more momentum in the market. Euro is pumping like anything because that's the strongest pair for now. That's a beautiful candle. Euro, BTC, US Tech. US Tech, there is no big momentum. GBP JPY is also neutral, but it is on sell side. USD JPY, what happened? Big down. Okay, coming back to the gold. Still it's going up. But we have huge sellers. We have very huge sellers. And that's an order block. It's on an order block. Let's see, it has to retest at least 50% of this candle for at least 25% of this candle for good upside momentum. Otherwise that will be a trap for buyers again, because we have huge sell limit orders here. Huge. My goodness, unstoppable. Gold unstoppable. So gold unstoppable. Let me check what's happening here. Gold is good. Gold going good. Crude oil is coming down slightly. So we can expect BTC upside after 9. We can see some good momentum in the market. Just hold your buys. Don't open new buys. The one who entered buys, move your SL to break even. NFP is drastic, very pathetic today. That's the reason. Still we have a New York session to open, so that's going to be very interesting again. So US Tech and US Tech and US 100. So we'll watch today US 100 also. See, if you see here, no orders in one candle, just pushed everyone. So at this particular place, these are the profit buyers, loss sellers. Oh my god, euro is unstoppable and it's pumping like hell. Amazing, amazing. So if you see any statements coming now by the Trump, it's going to again. One second, just I'm checking the order book of BTC, looking for any changes in volumes. And 7:15 we have PMI, and 7:30 we have Michigan Sentimental, US ISM Manufacturing PMI. So these are also very important news for today. So these are one important news for today. So 7 let the market open, and we can see more volumes coming up into the market. So we can see more volumes coming up into the market. It's a beautiful buy here. It's seriously a beautiful buy. So let's wait for the New York session to open, and it's going to be interesting today. So can we see a retest of previous candle? At least 24 retest is needed for good upside momentum. Otherwise, so with this news, if someone comes up with a statement that we are looking into increase rate interest rates hike, again gold will come down. Just be cautious. If anyone like Trump or from Fed, if you listen, we are looking into increase the interest rates, gold will come down again for a limited period, because that's a very bad NFP news today. That's very bad news. That's seriously very bad news. So 27 retest करना पड़ेगा for good upside momentum. So 27 is the level to watch now. So that's overbought, and we need a small retest. We need a small retest now. So those who are in profit, just close your terminals and enjoy your weekend. Go party, have a beer, chill out. That's pretty good candle. It's a beautiful candle. So 76% people are on sells and 24% people are on buys in gold at present situation. So at present situation, according to the XNES and according to this our FXSSI, 60% people are on buys, 40% people are on sells. So XNES, that's a live present timing, and this comes according to the volumes. So it's slight dip 24 or at least it has to retest 24 to 27 for good upside momentum. Wow, the euro, unimaginable candle, euro. So okay, let's get back to this. Let me check euro volumes. It's pretty good. That's pretty good. So this is magic even at the news time, even if you are in some losses. Sometimes news can save you out from the losses. So during Euro session, during New York session, we can see some dips and ups. So Euro is going up, unstoppable. Euro is unstoppable. Both buying and sellers volumes both are high. So please be careful. So let's wait for New York session. Let's wait for New York session and see what can happen now. So someone wants, if anybody wants gold to come down to 3306, somebody wants, drop a message in chat box. If somebody wants gold to see at 3306, 3306 and 5. Anybody got stuck up in sell? Still there is a chance now. Anybody want selling in gold? Target of 3306, 3306 to 3302, 3306, 3302. What I am expecting? Let's see. No new entries on buys. Seriously, no new entries on buys. Don't enter any buys in any instrument now. No, don't open new entries now. So I'm expecting gold. I am expecting 3306. We'll see, but what I feel, it can come down to 3306, at least to this zone, that is 11 to 16. No, possible is 6. We'll see. It's a very good candle. So let's New York session open and we can see some magic again. We can see some magic. Let it cool down. No new entries on buys. Don't try to open buys. That's a strong high actually, according to smart money concept. $33.40 40. So we need some sellers to close their positions, then it can come down, or sellers need to average their price. Sellers need to average their price for going up, exit their positions for coming down. So it depends on the volumes now. Liquidations, both sides we have liquidation. If we see two more candles on liquidations on red color, if you see two more candles displaying red color, there is a chance for gold reaching at least 33.15, at least 33.15. That's a very big move. So crude oil, I'm looking on sell side now. So crude oil I'm looking on sell side. Let me check with so now everyone will watch 2024 like September. Dovish cut will repeat or not. Hawkish and dovish, we have two technical words used by Fed. So now they have to come up with any statements now. So that's good. Let's see क्या होने वाला है. Euro also we can see some liquidations coming up and buying volumes are coming down. People are closing their positions on buys in Euro USD. So still sellers are an upper hand in gold. Sellers are holding their positions. Sellers are holding their positions in gold. Only buyers closing their positions. Sellers are still holding their positions. 1.7%. This 1.7 or 11.7. Okay, anyway, we'll check. We'll see. Wait for New York session, and that's a double top in crude oil. We can see two spikes coming up in crude oil, and I'm feeling crude oil can come down. Exactly taken reversal from previous day low. So let's see. That's a beautiful candle in gold. At least it has to retest 50% of for good upside momentum, for to continue its momentum. We have two conditions when we have such two big candles. Either it has to test the low of the big candle, or at least 50% of that big candle momentum candle. So we'll see. No entries in crude. BTC we can hold for buys. Only BTC looking for some buys. The only thing is we need some time. At least 9 PM we can see some momentum. After 9 PM we can see some good momentum. So the resistance, the support line is coming near to this candle. So once this support line touches this candle, the next momentum starts either to the downside or again it can move upside. So the possibility, let this candle come. So wait till this blue line is trading below this green candle. Still some buying opportunities. Once this touches this candle, the reaction comes. Either it can go upside or it can come downside. So if any candle closing below this blue line turning into red, this will be your target. Otherwise, stay on buys. No new position. Now don't open any buys. If you want to take any chance, any risk, open sell with small lot size. You can open sell with small lot size. At least it will come down for at least to 20, 30, 40 pips. 20, 40 pips, 20 to 40 pips, and it will retest this support line. Then the reaction starts. Until unless this line comes near, or there should be some contact. So we'll see. We will see what will happen. Let this support line coming. It's very fast. Actually, it will take much time. Today it has come up very fast. At least it will take 6 to 7 candles. In 2 candles, this support line came upside. So we'll check whether people are willing to hold their positions or closing their positions. So be caution. If you want to take a risk, enter you can open some sell with small lot size. Come on, baby. Yes, you can come. You can do it. Selling, sell limits, use sell limit orders, sell limit orders. Still we have sell limit orders. So if you have taken some sell at high, at least this is a momentum of 20 pips, 10 to 20 pips. Just keep scalping until this blue line comes near. There is a possibility of Humpty Dumpty chances. It will move like this, like this, like this. Euro is pretty cool, man. Wait for the New York session, we can have some good trades again. HMR is active again. There's a news coming in again on why is HMR activated? Why there's no news in the table? Canadian PMI. Okay, Fed Hamac speaks. Okay, 6:30. Okay, Fed person is speaking now, so please be careful. So that's the reason I said you can go for some selling at highs, only highs. At least you can have 20-30 pips trade. There's no HMR for gold, only the pairs. HMR is activated. You can go for some sells. You can scalp some sells. It's a beautiful shell. It is very beautiful. So let's wait for New York session to open. We can get more. No new entries on buys. Okay, don't open new buys. It will be very tough to close your position now. If you want to take any chances, go for some selling, because we have huge sell limit orders. At least market will try to give some downside momentum. Yeah, after you're getting 20-30 pips, exit the sells. Scalping is possible. So BTC, what happened to the BTC? 264 rupees BTC, 0.01. It's a little bit high. Oh, again it's pumping. See what can happen now. Strong high, swing high. This is strong high and swing high, the area. So 1.4, 0.3. Finally we have percentage came up now. BTC is going. BTC is good. One second. So we'll see. That swing high and strong high, both at same level. And 4 hours candle is open now. 4 hours candle open now. The previous 4 hours is very good. It's pretty good. Liquidations 1 2 3. This is the third candle. The candles are moving up and red color liquidations are coming up. NFP is pretty bad here, pretty bad. NFP is pretty bad. we'll see. We'll wait. We have 50 minutes for New York session. 15 minutes for the New York session. So let's see what happened. Let me check once again. So BTC actually CME gap was filled at 114 to 114,500. So that's a good sign. Market can pump upside. The CME gap is filled in BTC. My goodness, gold is going up. US oil and BTC. The gold going up. Gold going up. Good. So we'll wait for New York session to open. We'll wait for New York session. After New York session open, we'll take our decision again, and we'll enter some trades. 56:44 ratio has been changed in gold now. 56:44. 56:44. So New York session can be a little bit interesting for BTC and other pairs. So we'll concentrate on BTC today because the news has come up good and BTC has not given any good momentum. So the momentum is still pending in BTC. And we'll today we'll plan for an Nasdaq also. Nasdaq US 100. We'll see any interesting now. Let's wait for New York session. Is there any, if there we can see any interesting coming up? So we'll wait for New York session. We have still 10 minutes for the New York session open. We'll see, we'll check. So we'll see. 115,800. Waiting for right opportunity in BTC for entry. I'm planning at 4 hours open candle. That is 115,200. Waiting for right opportunity in BTC for buying position. And this time I'm going to hold this BTC for next week. Gold, people are closing their sell limit and buy stops also. The volumes are coming down. Volumes are coming down. Holding positions are, they are closing their holding positions. Everyone. Struggling. The gold is 60 pips, 600 pips high from daily open. We have 5 minutes left for the New York session open, and we can capture some good momentum here. Expecting some good momentum here. So waiting for opportunity in BTC on buy side. Uh, so we'll see what can happen now. So waiting for indication of a spike on higher time frame on BTC. So I'm waiting for 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Asian session. Euro is good. We'll wait for Euro session. Euro USD. So gold holding its position. Let's wait. Is it 7? No, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. We can see some reactions. We'll wait for 15 minutes and we'll plan for outrights. Spread is little bit high. So let's see. 40 seconds for the Canadian manufacturing PMI, and we have important news at 7:15, 7:30. So we have two important news coming up. So Canadian manufacturing PMI is medium impact, and the high impact news at 7:15, 7:30. So two more news to come up, but not bigger than NFP. NFP is the biggest news for this month, and it's better we have received the NFP news exactly on the first of the month, so we have long period, we have huge time, we have 30 days time to trade BTC. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, boys. One second. So the news is little bit positive. Waiting for gold. Only euro is up. So gold taking its slight retracement, and now exactly at on support level. Now exactly on support level. So that's a fair value gap. So that's fair value gap. Only euro is going up. Euro is going up with the margin. So let's see what can happen now. Euro is going up. Euro still going up. We have a news at 7:15 and 7:30. Please be careful. That's beautiful. 200, 400, 600. Euro is going up. Euro is going good. The spread is little bit high now. So 33.45, that's a good red candle. That's a fair value gap. If this fair value gap is breached followed by any bearish fair value gap, that's a confirmation. 56 will be your SL and you can go for some sells targeting 24 and 16. But there is a very small candle. $34, $43. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Crude oil trading in range. So 4 hours open candle is very important now. 4 hours candle is open, very important now. 4 hours open, that is 41 level. If you find any reaction again from here, you can see upside. If you see any fair value gap below this 4 hour candle, that's a confirmation market can come down to these levels. So according to the volumes, HMR is active. Be careful with your capital. Leverage will be 1:200 only. Ouch. These are the possibilities. 7:15 and 7:30 we have a news, very important news, but not bigger than NFP, but we have a news. That's it. We have a news, guys. We have a news. Selling, 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 selling. So this candle should not close, still 5 minutes left, should not close below 4 hours. That means the candle has to close above this body, not below this body. So we'll see. And this 4 hours is very important. 4 hours candle is very important. We have 2 minutes 20 2 hours 20 minutes for 4 hours candle closing in BTC. So after 7:15 or 7:30 we can see some momentum in the market because two news are pending. After the news till 9:30 market will give some good momentum. Now it's a cooling period. It's in cooling period. Three minutes 50 seconds for the candle closure. So once check the volume, sell limit orders, buy stop orders. Loss sellers, profit buyers. Loss sellers, profit buyers. Buyers are very less when compared to sellers. So 34, from 34 again we can see upside momentum. 34 because more loss sellers are locked up at 22 to 28. So market will not give any option for them to exit their positions. If market is coming down and if they start averaging the price, it will go out. Okay, they has to close their positions. If sellers exit their positions, market will come down. If they average their price, it will go up. If you see volumes adding up in the market during candle coming down, that's an indication. Averaging means it will go up. If volumes are coming down, market will go down. So keep that in mind. Oh my god, BTC and crude both are down. What about the Nasdaq? Nasdaq is also down. It is hourly. Oh my goodness. Okay, US tech is coming down. US 100. So we need to check the quarter report tomorrow. We need to check quarter report tomorrow. What is this? So from 7:30 to 9:30 we can see some momentum in the market. We have 30 seconds left for the news. If you are in profits, close your terminals, enjoy the weekend. Don't make losses, enjoy the day. Okay. So what happened to the news? It's positive. लेके आओ, गोल्ड नीचे लेके आओ. Okay, US S&P is positive. US S&P is positive. US S&P is positive. It's in news with less impact. So we have one more news, that is Universe Michigan sentiment and US ISM manufacturing PMI. US manufacturing PMI. Okay, we'll see. In 50 minutes we have one more news. After that, market will be free to trade with no leverage, no HMRs, no hectic things. So US Tech. GBP JPY. If this candle, the candle closes below this EMA, you can target this EMA, but the closure is important. So I have taken some sell at 52, somewhere around here, taken sell at 52, and just moved my SL to cost to cost. Short, and it's coming down from supply zone. BTC is coming down here. Now exactly on order block. 116 to 114, 1500 pips. My goodness. If candle closing below EMA, your target will be this EMA. So let's see, let's wait. At 7:30 we have important news. So 10 minutes for the news. After the news, we can see some entries, possibilities. You can see something coming down. Something. Sellers are closing their positions. So what if sellers close their positions? Market will come down. Sellers need to average their price for going up. So it would be good if it comes back to 3316 zone after 7:30. Hope. Hope. Let's hope for the best. So we'll check. We'll see whether the candle closing below EMA after 7:30. If closes below EMA, that's confirmation. Market can come down to 16 level by 9:30 or 10. Again, the same story on Monday. NFP is good. Only Trump is bad now. The problem with this HMR, yeah, I'm seriously got irritating with this HMR. Exactly on 4 hours. Oh my goodness, BTC is coming down, man. Crude also coming down. Bajega, bajega, man, bajega. So gold's coming down. That's very good for now. We'll see. Just wait. 7:30. Wait for 7:30. Till 7:30, we don't enter into new trades. If candle closes about so this candle, if at least 1 hour candle closes below 56, that means possibilities of gold coming down at least 50% of the move. At least 33.13, near to 33.13. So 5 minutes left for the news. After the news, we can see some good momentum in the gold. So taken sell position from 52 and just moved to 48. Let's see what can happen now. Let's see. Will it come down or after 7:30 only? The move we can guess only after 7:30. Only after 7:30. So 33.40 on higher time frame candle should not close below 40. On 4 hours or 1 hour the candle should not close below 40. If closes below 40 we can expect the target of first target will be 26 and second target will be 13. So 1 hour closing is very important now. 1 hour closing. Still we have 2 minutes. 2 minutes 50 seconds for the 1 hour candle closure. Ouch. Let's wait, boys. Let's wait. So holding sell from 52. We have 3 minutes for the news. Come on, boys. Come on. Okay, let's see. Candle closing, 1 hour candle closing is very important. We have 1 minute 50 seconds for the candle closure. If this candle closes below 40, we have high chances of market reaching 26 and 13. 26 and 13. First target will be 26 and next target will be 13. And from there we'll see the volumes and we'll see the orders placed and we'll take our decision. So for now, holding sell position from 52. What's that? 52. We'll have 1 minute for 1 hour candle closure, and this is going to be very interesting now. This is going to be interesting. We have 1 minute for the candle closure and we have 1 minute for the news. Let's go, boys. Let's go. We have two things. So lower than forecast. So okay, chalo then. Let's go. So let's go. It's positive. So it's damn positive for gold and damn negative for dollar. Okay, let's go, boys. Let's go. So gold changed its pattern now. Now we can see bullish momentums in gold again. Now we have a target, specific target of 71. Okay, let's see. So news is negative for dollar, positive for gold, damn, and positive for gold. So that's damn and positive for gold. Still HMR is active here. I don't know why. What is the problem? Let's see what we can do now. Yeah, HMR is released. So let's now concentrate. Crude is damn crying. It's coming down. So according to candle theory, we can see the target of 66.8 for crude oil. 66.8 for crude oil. Let's go. We have a spike here. Okay. Okay. BTC, according to the candle theory, BTC we have a target coming down. Let this go. Okay, this candle has to close down. I don't know why BTC is bleeding. One second, I'm just checking the volumes. Just give me time. I'm just checking the volumes. What can be the next move? Okay. BTC, I'm just checking the volumes. Just give me 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. 1 second. So news is positive for gold and negative for dollar. So we can see some magic now crossover liquidations. We have a spike is objecting for me to take decision for the upside. So until this is present on chart, I am not looking into any buy side. If this vanishes, I look for buying again for the target of 66. So this is stopping me from now. So gold, we can see some negative volumes in green candle, and at the same time spike is still valid. So इसको हाइट तोड़ना पड़ेगा for more upside momentum. So तोड़ना पड़ेगा. So we'll see. It's pretty positive, but just give me 2 minutes. Yeah. So BTC is taken reversal from the order block that need to sustain there now. It has to sustain. It has to sustain there. Four-hour candle is pretty good for gold, but we can see some negative volumes and we have a spike here, so that is stopping me from entering buys. Maybe after once this high is broken, I'll go for buying opportunity. Until this high is sustained, I'm not looking into any buying opportunity. That's my view. If you want to take a risk, you can take a risk. Your SL will be exactly below this resistance level. So crude oil, it's coming down. very good. Crude oil is coming down. What a candles, man. What a candles. What a candle in BDC here. What a candle in BDC. What is this and this? Where did this come from? What happened? So BTC, my goodness, that's a very good candle. Came up what happened to gold? Still holding the same position. There's no big momentum in the market. So struggling to take the power. No power for the candle. If it comes down, it has to be, if it closes below 40, that's going to be very good. BTC view, BTC, I am positive on BTC here. The only thing is in 3 candles it came down in nearly to 1500 pips. I am positive on BTC, looking for the target of 121. 121k. I am looking for target of 121k. So that's the reason I am telling about what I want. Candle bloody, it's clear. Covering 2 candles, man. That's exactly from weekly pivot, but this has to close above 115,600, otherwise this move is invalid. Again, this move will be invalid. So weekly pivots, wait 1 second. So gold still holding its position and no big momentum. Just setting up my chart here. Every time this is taking time. Price action, where is this pure price actions? So if you are holding something gold, some slight negative volumes in the candle, we need to close, the candle has to close above the high, because I have a spike. I'm not taking any chances entering buys, so that's holding me to take the entries. If high is broken, I'll go for again buying with the target of 80. Do someone remember what is 80 level on higher time frame? One second. Every time my indicators are giving me big headache here. So BTC, the candle has to close above 115,600, then we can see some good upside momentum, because this is all just retracements. Crude is killing, everything is making some noise. So we need some liquidities. So this high to be broken. Until unless this high is breached, I am not looking into any new buys with good volume. See, dot. That's a spike and it's going up. Good. BTC. So BTC, we have a spike at bottom. 113,821. From 113,821, it has moved to 115,146. Bloody in one candle. So that's, see, negative volumes continuously in second candle also. Two candles, negative delta, candle is moving up. I don't trust this type of candles, so I am not willing to take any buys now. If you want, you can take chances, but not my responsibility. 59% people are on sells and 41% people are on buys. And here comes 53.47. Now it's about to get neutralized. BTC. So BTC has to close above 115,400 or 600, so that we can see again the target of 115,900. I'll check with the gold also, any liquidations. .4%, 47 to 52, 47 to 52. So gold is going good, but I can see some negative volumes and we have still intact spike. Until unless this spikes vanishes from the chart, I am not looking into any new buys for now. Crude has come up, BTC has come up. So BTC is pumping. That's the magic of BTC. अरे यार क्या हो गया इसको? So BTC is going good. So BTC is very aggressive. BTC is very aggressive. So we'll hold. See, we'll see some negative volumes coming up. So okay, let's get back. So we can see some good momentum in BTC now. So it's very good, seriously. Now this has to close above 115 400 to 600, so we can see some good upside momentum. If BTC breaches 116248, it's unstoppable to 121. So there are no big major hurdles between 116250 and 118620. No big hurdles, so देखते हैं, we'll see. No big hurdles. It's seriously good. This is the magic of BTC. Euro is going up. Gold slightly रो के जा रहा है. 44 to 54. This is also a good time. So concentrating on BTC, I'm looking for some buys in BTC. Once it closes above 600, I'm looking for positional. So bloody big candle. 2000 pips. That's the reason I love BTC. I love BTC. Let's see what happening with the gold. Slowly going up. Still I can see some negative volumes. इसको break करना पड़ेगा. It's gone? It's vanished? No, not yet. Not yet. Strictly I'll follow my indicators, whatever it is. I don't jump into the trades. That saves me from losing my capital. That's called discipline. Somebody says price action, only price action will help. Yes, price action will help you out, but in this volatile market we need some indications. We need some confirmations. Without those we can't trade. So why I'm positive on BTC? Because of these things only. Even though it has moved down to 15,000 pips, I'm 1500 pips, I'm still bullish on BTC. That's because of technicals and the indicators. It didn't breach my level, that is 114200. It didn't close below 114200, which I am waiting for. missed my entry. I missed my entry. That's it. Exactly, the BTC has taken reversal from the London session low. Now it is New York session. From London session low, it has taken the reversal for the good upside momentum. Very good. Yes, and it's retesting previous day low. It's retesting previous day low. Issue with my MT5. I need to close this. Every time this is happening. With evening time it's giving me more headache. I don't know, I need to change my server or I don't know. So this is the trend line morning what we have discussed. From there, pumping. Started pumping. So this is gone. This is gone. BTC is still good. BTC has taken exactly reversal from the London low. It swept the London low and it started pumping upside. My goodness. Yes, BTC is going up. That's the magic. If once it clears 116k level, BTC is unstoppable. Maybe in next 1 week it can reach 121 also. If you want to capture 5000 pips, let it breach 116k level. 116k level. So I'm not looking into gold anyway. The high has to be breached and this is liquidated. From my point, this is previous high is liquidated. If this candle closes below this candle, that's an evidence market can come down. So this is an evidence of liquidation. The candle closure is very important now in gold. So you guys are here still. Okay. So BTC is pumping. BTC is pumping. Beautiful BTC. Oh goodness, it's very good, yeah. is the reason I have not taken any buys. See, we see a crossover confirmation here in RSI. We can see the downside momentum, and at the same time it has to close below this candle. Then that's a confirmation it can come down. Okay, exactly trading at EMA, that's the reason it's acting as a support every time, coming near to it, and it's acting as a support. Where are the liquidations coming up? No big liquidations. Okay, let's go. Still it's good. Still good. A very big move here. That's seriously a very big move. See, we have a return point, valid return point. There's valid return point at 32.94. That's seriously a good thing. So Chordo, you can leave gold for now. Anyway, it's not going to give us good momentum. Anyway, it's 8 o'clock. So we'll concentrate on BTC only. So moving on to BTC, let me dock this thing. So that's the thing with BTC. There's a chart. So gold trying to come down, and we have a valid return point on the downside. Guys, you can see the chart, right? Yes. So gold, let it close below this thing. You need to sell here exactly because this is an equal highs which acts as a liquidity sweep. Okay. RSI crossover. This is BTC. Just give me 2 minutes of time. I'm making one more chart here. BTC for now the target will be 116,100. 116,100 will be the target for BTC for now. What? So 116,100 will be the target for BTC, and gold, it's sleeping. Slightly negative, slightly negative. Slightly negative. Until unless, see here, until unless candle closes below this level, that is 115,300. 115,300. You can still stay on buys. If candle closing below 115,300, that's an indication, that's a reversal. Okay. Once this candle closes below this level only, you can exit your position if you have taken any buys at this exactly at this level, or you can wait for a new buy entry above this level. Above this level, you can see good entry. Target for 118 will be your first target. So if you have good equity, take your chances according to your equity. But I suggest if candle comes to this zone, SL will be very small. You can go for a new buy entry. Target will be this one, and second target will be this one. So crude oil, our target 66.8 is done. 66.8. I didn't share any chart, but the levels are given during the trade. If you still want to enter some buys, that will be your SL, or if you get a chance to enter at 115,300, that will be a right place to take entry on buy side with small SL. So I think that's all for today. We'll see BTC trades only. Gold, I'm not looking into any trades in BTC. I'm not looking at any trades into BTC, and Euro is also just playing at range. There's no big move. Okay, that's all for today. We'll catch up tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Bye. So waiting for some moves. Okay, we'll stay till 9:30. Okay, no problem. We'll stay till 9:30. Check with 9:30. Any momentum in BTC? I'm just expecting BTC to break this beautiful level. This beautiful level. Crude oil is coming down. One second. So that's the reason I said this should be your SL. This should be your SL if you have taken any buys here. So until unless candle stays above this thing, you are in safe hands. Still I'm bullish on BTC. Still bullish on BTC. Oh, one second. Huh? So we'll see BTC still trading in range, and it exactly see if this is the important level. If any candle closing below this zone, it's a selling. Until unless the candle stays above this one, it's a buying. Closing is very important, and we have a spike on the upside. So what I'm expecting, either say again it can come down. So chances again from here it can come down. क्या हो गया इसको? Oh,